Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody left me a message on one of my videos wanting more about the blend tool. So I thought I'd show them about blend different shapes. So we've got a 4-inch square and a 1-inch square. So if we select them all and go up to Effects and Blend, and if we just blend 2 times, which will give us 4 objects, and we hit Apply, it'll blend those. And now if we select them all and go to Object, break blend apart, and also grab them all and go to object and ungroup them, you can see now this is a 4-inch, this is a 3-inch, this is a 2-inch, and this is a 1-inch. So it blended them equally, but they're not equally spaced apart. So let's use the parallel dimension. Well, I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll select them all and hit T like Tom, and that'll put them all equal across the top. Let's get the parallel dimension tool and go from that node to that node, and then we'll go from that node to that node. We're going to have to change the text size on the parallel dimension. You have to actually select on the text. Let's go 72 points. 72 points, and you can see that they're not equally spaced out. Well, if you will grab each box holding down the Shift key, we can't just select them all because the numbers will get in a way. And then go to Windows, Dockers, Align and Distribute, and align right here, distribute space horizontally. Now they're all 5.83 inches apart. And then how would you get them back to even center? You could select them all and hit E on your keyboard, and now they're all equal spaced, and theoretically, well, actually it is. If we draw a node from, or a line from there to there, and a line from there to there, each block is equally spaced apart and equally vertically and horizontally. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.